Okay, done na kami sa Ocean Park. Since medyo maaga pa, anong oras na? 7. 7. Punta muna kami ng Chimchachu.
Welcome back to our channel, the Antonias.
Okay, bali, from Ocean Park, sumakay kami ng train going to Chuan Line. Tapos baba ng Admiralty. Pagbaba ng Admiralty, Chimchachu, transfer kami. Baba kami from L5 and then L3. Tapos sakay going to Chimchachu. Here na kami sa Nathan Road. Walk naman kami. Going to Avenue of Stars. Kasi sa Ocean Park, hanggang 6:30 lang. So sabi namin, parang kaya pa namin dahil late naman kami umalis ng bahay. So go natin ngayon ang Chimchachu. Avenue of Stars. Sana mabutan namin yung Symphony of Lights ng 8. Time check 7:47. So good daw.
Yeah,
Wait.
you like it? Find the seat na, Nika.
Hold it carefully. Ano ba ang malaglag? Naku, talaga naman.
Yummers!
What's it? How about the waffle? You bite the waffle too.
Oh, okay.
There na.
There na,
Pull.
Ako tumalsik, daddy. Ako tumalsik.
Ayun na nga. It's okay.
Yummy.
Like it? How about mommy?
Okay. Bite the waffle.
Go.
Mommy, stay. Try mommy.
And then
there.
an ice cream.
Then ice cream.
Yummers.
Ang sarap. Sarap, pampawi ng
yummy.
panglakaran. Oh, lamig. Oh, mahangin pa siya. Wow, the peninsula, daddy.
Say see you later, Nika.
Later.
Bye-bye.